Okay, Assalamualaikum semua. Okay, our next lecture is going to be anatomy of the arm. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, in this lecture we will learn about muscles in the anterior and posterior compartment of the arm, and also the nerve innervation and blood supply to these muscles, and also we will learn about structures in cubital fossa. Okay, ni dekat pelipat ni, this is your cubital fossa. Okay. I'm sorry. In first section we will study about flexor muscle of the anterior compartment of the arm, which consists of bicep brachii, brachialis muscle, and coracobrachialis muscle. Okay, there are only 3 muscles in the anterior compartment of the arm, and also one nerve, musculocutaneous nerve, and brachial vessels. Okay, for the second section, we will study about the posterior compartment of the arm, which consists only one muscle, which is triceps muscle, and one radial nerve. Okay, posterior, you have radial nerve, and also profunda brachii artery. Actually, profunda brachii artery, or the other name is deep brachii artery, is a branch from brachial vessel. Ni, profunda brachii, deep brachii artery, is a branch from brachial artery. It's just that ni profunda brachii ni, the branch from its the main brachial artery, the branch to go to the posterior side, to the posterior compartment. Okay, and the last section we will talk about structures in cubital fossa. For the first muscle in anterior compartment of the arm is bicep brachii. All you have to know that bicep brachii has 2 head, which are the short head and the long head. Okay, the short head, if you can see from the picture here, okay, ni, okay, these are the muscle bulk, bicep brachii muscle, and it has short head and long head. Long kat sini. Okay, long because it has to go through this bicipital groove ni. Okay. Okay, the short head ni, okay, if you can see here, origin dia dekat coracoid process. If you remember what are the muscle yang origin pun dekat coracoid process, coracobrachialis pun dekat sini juga kan. Okay, coracobrachialis dekat, nanti kita mention, we go after this, coracobrachialis. Okay, what you have to remember, sini short head of bicep brachii, dia pun same origin with coracobrachialis dekat sini, dekat coracoid process of scapula. And then dia yang long head pula, long head dia punya origin dia dekat supraglenoid tubercle. If you remember from notes from our my first lecture, osteology of upper limb kan, kita, okay, here the supraglenoid tubercle. Okay, ni glenoid cavity dekat atas ni, here. Okay, glenoid cavity, here is the attachment of a long head of bicep brachii. Maksudnya in the joint, in the shoulder joint itself. Okay, so now you know that one, the short head dekat coracoid process of scapula, same origin with coracobrachialis, and the long head ni dekat attached to supraglenoid tubercle in the shoulder joint. Ni dia punya origin. Okay, and then dia insertion dia, okay, you see here, insertion dia satu, dia ada 2. Okay, dia ada 2 head, dia ada 2 juga insertion. Okay, one dekat radial tuberosity dekat radius lah kan. Okay, ni posterior part of radial tuberosity. You have to remember location dia dekat posteriorly. If you can see, okay, ni radius kan, ni ulna, meaning that sini medial, sini lateral. So dia ke posterior side, maksud dia attach medial side kata gitu ya. Okay, posterior part of radial tuberosity ni dekat medially lah, okay. Kat sini lateral, sini medial. Posterior side of radial tuberosity ni dekat ala ke medial. Okay, ni kena ingat lah ni. Okay, satu dekat radial tuberosity and the other one is bicipital aponeurosis. This is the insertion site of bicep brachii. Okay, bicipital aponeurosis. Okay, what is aponeurosis? Okay, I have given you here the notes. Okay, basically daripada muscle tu tadi, dia akan masa di insertion site tu, nearing the insertion site, it becomes a thin sheet of collagen fiber layer, okay, untuk provide attachment of the muscle bicep brachii lah dalam hal kita ni tadi, dalam in our case, okay. And then, okay, function here, you can read by yourself. And then, okay, this is the difference between aponeurosis and tendon. Okay, macam bicep brachii, dia insertion, tendon inserted dekat, pertama tadi, radial tuberosity, one of it, and the other one is, it becomes bicipital aponeurosis. Okay, what's the difference? Different tendon, tough and rope-like, whereby aponeurosis ni thin sheet, okay. And then, okay, I think this is this one you can read by yourself, ya. Okay, lepas tu kita, okay lah, next lah. And here, what is the action of bicep brachii? Basically, bicep brachii, dia support, okay, shoulder joint by its long head. How? Because ni tadi, okay, yang tunjuk lah, ni bigger picture, okay, ni yang long head attached dekat supraglenoid tubercle here within shoulder joint. So dia function as supporting structure, okay, to support your shoulder joint. And then dia juga act as a elbow joint flexor, and supinate the partially flexed forearm at the radio-ulnar joint. So what does it mean? Okay, first, as elbow flexor, okay, inserted dekat supraglenoid tubercle, dekat dalam within the shoulder joint, and juga coracoid process of scapula, origin di sini, and inserted to radial tuberosity and bicipital aponeurosis tadi kan. So here and here cross the elbow joint here, so it act as flexor, elbow flexor, as you can see from here. Ni origin, ni insertion kan, origin, insertion. Bila muscle contract, dia akan flex elbow. But what does it mean with ni, supinate the partially flexed forearm at the radio-ulnar joint? Okay. Okay, slowly, okay, boleh nampak tak? Okay. Now, wait. Okay, I hope you can see, okay, now, sini origin, okay, sini insertion. Like I said before this, yang insertion dekat radial tuberosity kan, okay, sini radius kan, lateral, ni, nampak tak? Ni medial, ni lateral kan, so, radius I kat sini, ni ulnar, ni radius. So, insertion dia dekat posterior radial tuberosity. Radial tuberosity dekat sini, radius, sini, okay, kat tengah-tengah lah kan, between radius and ulnar, here, radial tuberosity, okay. You just imagine, ya. Okay, sini ke sini. So, kalau, okay, in plane yang neutral ni kan, yang okay, your hand like this, nampak tak? Macam ni kan, okay, flex, okay, simple, flex elbow, your bicep brachii. But bila you supinate, okay, nampak tak? Supinate while flexing your forearm, ni yang the real actionnya, because dia punya tendon insert dekat radial tuberosity, you imagine dekat sini, bila dia contract, dia supinate sekali. Okay, sini. Insertion dekat sini. Okay. Radial tuberosity dekat sini. Okay. Nampak tak Bila macam ni, okay, the bicep brachii akan lengthen kan. Dia contract, supinate. Dia supinate sekali while flexing the forearm. Okay, tengok macam sini kat gambar ni. Okay. Boleh appreciate tak? Ni. Dia dekat sini kan. Radius. Bila dia supinate, dia pusingkan radius tu. Mana lagi? I hope you can appreciate the picture. I try susah tau saya picture ni. Okay, this two pictures just showing that, okay, this is the action of prime muscle, which is bicep brachii ni lah. Dia flex the elbow. Ini dia punya main function dia, flex elbow. Tricep brachii ni dia punya antagonist. Dia extend lah kan. Satu flex, tricep nanti dia akan extend. Nantilah kita cerita. Okay. Yang ni synergis muscle. Synergis ni macam assistant lah. Okay. Some book says that brachialis is the prime action dia pun flex. Some said synergis muscle. So I ambil tengah lah. Okay, I put here yang main action bicep brachii is a prime muscle for flexion, and synergis brachioradialis. Brachioradialis assist flexion. Actually brachioradialis dia akan put your hand in a mid prone. Okay, ni macam kan kalau I berdiri supinate, pronate, dia macam ni. Mid pronate. Pronate, supinate. This is action of brachioradialis. Next is brachialis muscle. Okay. You tahu tadi kan sini. Brachialis muscle. So from the picture pun you know. Ni bicep. Bicep insert kat sini. Bicep brachii. Ni brachialis muscle. So brachialis muscle tengok mana. Okay. Here the bicep brachii covering anterior to brachialis muscle. So bila you cut this bicep brachii, you can nampak. Okay. Brachialis muscle here, dia daripada lower half of humerus insert dekat ulna. Okay. That's why dia pun ada fungsi in flexing your elbow joint. Okay. Itu je lah. Ni lower half of humerus insert dekat ulna. Flex forearm action dia. And then next is coracobrachialis. Sama juga. You cut dia dekat posterior to bicep brachii. You cut bicep brachii. You nampak brachialis. You nampak juga coracobrachialis. Kita mention before this. In few lectures before this pun kita dah mention. Dia origin dekat sini. Coracoid process of scapula. Insert dekat humerus. Dekat medial side. Medial side. So you boleh imagine ya. Bila dia contract sini. Apa yang akan bergerak? Of course lah shoulder joint kan. Bila you contract, you will flex your shoulder joint here. And then dia pun due to its position, it has some role in adducting your arm. But not a main adductor lah. Yeah? And all this muscle, bicep brachii, coracobrachialis, brachialis muscle, innervated by musculocutaneous nerve.